When it comes to sewing, there's two pieces that you need for your machine to work. You need the spool, but you also need a bobbin, which goes into the bottom below your presser foot. This needs to be filled with thread too. So I'm going to show you how to fill this. Now it's going to be specific to my machine, but the images and everything you'll see, you should find something similar on your machine. Even my 1950s sewing machine has the diagrams. So this is what you'll need to look for on filling the bobbin that you need to use so you can make your projects awesome. Okay, when you're looking at the top of your machine, most of them, like I said, will have a diagram that you should follow. This solid line on mine is how I actually thread the machine for threading it into the needle. This dotted line is how I fill the bobbin. So you do similar to when you are threading it. Put your spool on, however it goes on your machine. Make sure the cap's on. And then you're going to run the thread following, for me, the dotted line. I'm going to follow it through, bring it that way. And now I've got this thread. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it through this hole in my machine. Now your machine, again, may have some different instructions. This is what just works best on mine. Mine is a brother. And then I'm going to take it over to this weird looking part and I'm going to put that onto there. Now to get it to run, mine, I have to push that whole assembly over. And then you're going to press down on your presser foot just like you're sewing, and you're going to hold it. Now I hold that loose thread just till it gets going so it just doesn't get in the way and it feels a little bit smoother. And the cool thing is this piece right here, as soon as this is as full as that piece, the machine automatically stops. So you don't have to sit there and guess and try and figure out, do I have enough on there? Is it too much? Is it too little? Because you don't want it to go over the side. You want it just to be full. So I'll let it go until it stops. There you go, it stopped. I lift my foot up and then move this piece back. You're gonna lift this up, okay? It's still connected. So trim this, and then this piece that's coming out the top, trim that as well. Just flush to the plastic. And then put it into your machine like it instructs you to do. Just like everything else on the machine, my machine has instructions on exactly how to load the bobbin. This is my bobbin well. Yours might look a little bit different. It might be front loading. There might be a metal piece you have to take off, but this is what's common to the brother. This piece comes off and then I feed it in, follow the instructions, put this piece back on, and now my bobbin is in place and I'm ready to start sewing. All I need to do is rethread my machine and get back to work. A lot of machines, not all of them, will often tell you when your bobbin is running low. Mine tells me your bobbin thread is almost empty. It stops. It makes me acknowledge this. But if yours doesn't have that feature, then you do have to pay attention to how much thread is on your bobbin as you're working. I hope this helps. I hope this gives you a better explanation of bobbins and you have so much fun getting out there and sewing. Oh, and bonus tip. Your bobbin bottom doesn't have to match the top color. If you want to play and make things really cool, you can actually put whatever color in the bobbin well that you want and have fun with it. So don't be afraid to change it up, to play, to use colors that could go together. Or if you have a project, this one is blue, dark colors on the top, but on the inside is a lighter color. I can make my top thread this color, this darker blue, and then use a darker or a lighter green on the bottom. So what color combos would you do? Let us know. I hope this helps. And don't forget to like, follow, share for more.